welcome back to my channel. This is day 4 in the Galapagos. Today I am going to Santa Fe Island to do some snorkeling. So right now we are waiting for our transportation. The day ahead for us now is a lot of snorkeling apparently. We are going to the Santa Fe Island, which is about, from what I understand, like a 30-minute boat ride from where we are right now, which is the Santa Cruz Island. And if we're lucky, we might be able to swim with some sharks today, which is something I really want to do. So let's see if that happens. Yesterday, if you didn't see my prior video, I was able to swim with a turtle. Not for the first time, but the first time that I was able to capture it on film, so that was pretty interesting. Without further ado, let's go for it.
The Santa Fe Island is the closest one you can reach from Puerto Ayora. It took a little bit more than 30 minutes to reach there and was visible all the way. Our first stop was at some natural caves, which this island has several of. Some are so big, like this one, that we were able to enter with our boat. Apart from appreciating some birds in there, I felt like in a movie. It just all looked so amazing and unreal. The water all around this island is incredibly clear that you can see the bottom of the ocean, and also lots of large fish swimming around. We stopped to do some snorkeling in an area that we spotted some sea lions. My father decided to jump in too. He's not much of a beach person, but didn't want to pass on this unique opportunity. expert in snorkeling, but there was so much to see. Everywhere I looked, it was so nice and full of tropical fish. The water was also extremely clear. This is part of the snorkeling here at Santa Fe Island. So you can see the fish below the boat. And we're gonna have a small lunch now on the boat, so we can have back in the afternoon. Didn't see any sharks yet, but you never know, they can come up anytime. We are going to do some fishing, hope to get some tuna fish maybe. So we just started and we're gonna cruise so we can try to catch something for lunch. We are looking to get to a place called Las Grietas, and it's we had to take another boat ride, like a taxi boat ride to get there. It costs about 80 cents, and it's a little bit of walking now. So we are. It's this open. Look at this. Look at this. That's a big one. Certainly doesn't look like the photos I see on Instagram. Apparently it's because it is a
La langosta se la divide por la
Ajá,
mitad
por dos.
y tiene para elegir mitad encocado o mitad. Dile que es encocado.
Cocado con coco, me dijo.
Sí.
After a long day, we are having dinner now at the most typical, where it's called Kioskos, and they have the freshest seafood on the island of Santa Cruz. Food looks really good, so we're waiting now. It's just started to cook, and hopefully it won't take long. We're pretty hungry after a long day that we had. I'm gonna now taste the langostino. This one is with encocado, like coconut, cooked with coconut. And the other one is Hale, in other words it's garlic. So I thought the garlic one was a little bit better, but both are, that tastes really good.
With that, we called it a day. Guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and remember to click the notification bell below, as I have many more videos coming your way. Thanks for watching. Until next time.